Hello and welcome back. This is me Murad Ahmad from University of Bunair. Today I am going to teach you a very famous story, The Necklace, that is written by Guy de Maupassant. I will provide you the audio recording of this lesson and you will listen to it. As I have told you some of the introduction about listening and speaking, along with what is listening and how to do it. But right now, what I am going to do, you may have guessed. Exactly. Active listening and speaking activity. Are you prepared, students? Let's begin. Before starting the lesson, you should have some objectives in your mind that we will achieve in our today's class. The objectives are: first objective is involve in active listening and speaking. Students will get familiar with diverse speaking and listening strategies and techniques. Students will learn the pronunciation of difficult words. They will learn the elements of paralinguistics such as tone, pitch, etc. Students, after this lesson, will be able to speak the difficult pronunciation of words. These are the objectives of our today's class that we will achieve today. After that, you should have instructions in your mind that we will follow in our today's class. Instructions are clear and concise. First instruction is you have to listen to this audio attentively and with concentration. Lesson number second one is listen to the pronunciation of difficult words. Also, you should have knowledge about the main characters' names that you will listen in this. After that, you have to write down its summary by listening to this audio. As students look at this model presentation, look at the board. I have categorized this lecture into many parts as a model. You can see the difficult words at the right side of the board, main characters at the left side of the board, the pronunciation and the at the center of this, and the summary points at the other side of the board. This is the model presentation I have given you. So, keeping objectives in your mind and following the instructions and the model presentation I have given you, considering all these things, you have to do your guided practice. In guided practice, what you have to do, you have to make groups, and you know the importance of group activity and teamwork because this helps us to learn more better than individual learning. So make groups and listen to this audio in group and learn the pronunciation of the difficult words and write it down. So this is your teamwork and group activity. After this, you have to do your independent practice. In the independent practice, you have to do this job by yourself. You have to write. You have to listen to this audio individually and write down the difficult words and their pronunciation down. If you face any difficulty, I am here to assist you anytime. This is your independent practice and this is your job and the homework as well. So we have covered the objectives, the instructions, the model presentation. You also have done the guided practice and the independent practice. So it is time for your assessment. I will assist you by asking different and multiple questions. You also know the importance of assessment. Assessment opens the gate for the students' self-assessment, that students will know that what we have learned and what we have to learn further. The importance of assessment is to find the loophole which remains unfulfilled, and also the assessment helps the student to keep engaged. So I will ask about the different vocabularies and their pronunciation and their meaning. I will ask some questions about the main characters' names and their names. And also I will ask about the summary points at the end. This was all about my presentation and my lesson plan. So if you have any question, so may you ask.